Alright, just doing a little experimenting here at the garden. How I'm doing my tomatoes, I know it's not the greatest way, but I'm starting them all from seed in buckets like this, just a whole handful of them in there. And before they get too big and the root system starts to expand out, it'll just go straight down. You can pretty much just pick clumps out, and that's what I'm doing with my tomatoes. So if there's a couple that are clumped together, I'll keep that clump together. One of them will survive. We'll call the rest of them out. But we're just looking for one pot per one plant that we're going to transplant. These took a couple weeks to come out of the ground. They're doing really good, very strong. And yep, just using a little fork. Just using a fork to kind of pry pieces away and go deep up underneath the roots and lift, and then straight into the cups. Also, I've plugged a few. Basically, I mean, I wasn't extremely gentle with them, but I grabbed them fairly, I freed up the root so it doesn't break underground. And grabbed them very gently by the stalk. Came in with a like a shish kebab stick here, and there you go. Just wallow out a little hole for them, drop the little plant in, fill it back in, and give it a little bit of a good night pat, and we'll see how they're gonna do. But yeah, these plants, this little row of plants right here, I just started. Came out of that bucket right there. So, tomato gardening. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching.